So here's a shower that we have to take out, and you can see it's done with floor tile and probably not waterproof. The biggest issue we see is the staining, and the drain is not sealed, so it's actually leaking downstairs. So we'll break it out and see if there's any waterproofing behind it or if it was placed directly on the sheetrock. As you can see, they got backer board, but no waterproofing. And you can see, don't know how the pan is sealed, but eventually that would have started leaking, and eventually it would have leaked through the waterproofing. Also, no support behind here for that shower door that was there. So, I was trying to save the backer board, but it don't look like we're gonna be able to save it because I'm pretty sure there's no support behind this wall. So we'll finish getting everything tore out and possibly just go ahead and pull it out by the backer board. We can see now that they had the backer board running directly down the wall, and there's a pan here. If you can see it, they do have a pan, but it's not coming all the way up the wall, at least behind the backer board. So you would have got water running basically between here and the backer board. So we'll finish tearing it out. This is going to be a cement bed. So let's get everything torn on down. Everything is torn out. Well, all the walls are torn out. So, a couple of signs of water damage there. And now comes the fun part. Tearing out the floor pan. Now you can see what it takes to demo a shower. You can see the labor involved, and this took about 2.5 hours. So if you want to tackle it yourself, good luck. This is a lead pan, and you can see it's not nailed to anything, just sitting on the subfloor and just formed in. And then the mud is poured into it and packed, and then the towel is installed on top. So the problem is making sure you get it to seal around the flange, and that was one of the problems that they were having. And then you want that pan to come up at least under the wall, so if your shower ever overflows, it won't just flow out between the walls. So just a few tips. We're almost at a point to where we're ready to start putting everything back together. So that's the lead pan minus cleanup. So in here, we'll put extra framing here for the shower door, which there are no studs behind there. Do the same for both sides. Put in new shower valve and raise the shower head up some. We're going to towel all the way up to the wall, and we're going to use in here, it's going to be a vinyl shower pan. So there'll be a vinyl shower pan here, and then tile all the way up to the ceiling. The floor is just gonna stay, and they're gonna cover it with LVP. So that's gonna be down there. Toilets be replaced. We'll pull that out last. So that's what it takes to demo a shower. Got everything just about. That'll be the framing. So bringing that wall out 3.5 inches. Hadn't nailed anything yet, just got it sitting here. This wall will have to have support here for the shower door. And we got the shower valve in. And this is the shower pan. And moving it to a center drain. So stay tuned. Here is the finished tile project. Along with the floor is installed. Got to do the shower valves, toilet, and toilet valve there. Touch up and paint the wall, and that'll be it. So this shower is finished. Got the toilet installed. Got the shower door done. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. Talk to you later.